Aye, what's really going on? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, currently looking at XLM price action, looking at strong support and buy pressure here. We have this abrupt move downward, interacting with the technical key level. 26 cents has been the suggested area of support that we've been looking out for ever since this consolidation throughout November, and these sell signals present since the kind of second week of November as well. Price action has been looking for stronger support down below, suggested at 26 cents. We even have this key level down below all the way down at 21 cents as well. And so in my opinion, I can remain long-term bullish on the uptrend for XLM as long as 21 cents remains as support. So if daily candles are opening and closing below 21 cents, then perhaps we can enter some real downside and just wait for the uptrend to return in a future date here. However, in my opinion, down below we have very strong support all the way between this key level at 26 cents all the way down to 21 cents. So very strong technical buy pressure and support down below that we need to hold to maintain the uptrend near current levels, currently interacting with sell pressure under this 200 daily moving average in addition to sell signals. However, as you can see with these very dramatic wicks below these daily candles, the buy pressure is very much present and the demand for XLM is very much present as well. We can see a recovery up to what appears to be 28% with the December 4th daily candle bouncing all the way down to 22 cents and returning to 28 cents within that day, suggesting just how much buy pressure and demand there is for XLM at current levels. Technically, December 6th has printed a lower low relative to December 5th, so a very technical bearish discrepancy there, suggesting further interaction with 26 cents is needed in my opinion, and that would still be a very bullish area of accumulation until resistance is confirmed, which is daily candles opening and closing below it, then in which case we have the aforementioned 21 cent key level. So at the moment I am looking for continued interaction with 26 cents. I'm awaiting buy signals to return to become more comfortably bullish on the continued upside here. Through this phase of sideways, I do believe this is a much greater longer term bullish phase of accumulation for the uptrend for XLM here. Using 26 cents as a bullish area of accumulation has allowed you to see up to 55% in upside if you were to utilize my resistance level at 40 cents as an area of take profit. EngineeringRobo suggested a bullish area of accumulation near 26 cents back throughout the end of July. If you utilize those buy signals, you were able to experience up to 62% in upside over the following 46 days. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high or at my resistance level, EngineeringRobo became bearish at 33 cents on the 7th of September, suggesting you take profit, allowing you to capitalize on 27% ROI. Well, with those sell signals, we did experience downside up to 23% as we interacted with 26 cents as a very bullish area of accumulation, which allowed you to experience that 56% in upside, again buying at my support and selling at my resistance. Even this most recent combination of robo advisors did suggest a bullish area of accumulation, technically around 31 cents. We experienced up to 39% in upside after those buy signals, and we were even able to technically capitalize on 8% in gains when the sell suggestions came into play, suggesting that a more bullish area of accumulation is to present itself here. And EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher areas of accumulation and take profit. And so it is key to pick 3 of the many different robo advisors available. And once 2 of your chosen 3 become bullish or bearish, you can use that to better determine your entries or exits. And so if we zoom out slightly here, we can see price action coming from interaction with key levels near the 60 to 70 cent range. We have this combination of sell signals coming into play through this abrupt move downward in the month of May here on the 19th. After this combination of sell signals, we experienced downside up to 52% over the following couple months there when we interacted with 21 cents throughout June and July. So these last few months of accumulation between 26 cents and 40 cents is a very bullish area of buy pressure after a 54% correction for XLM. So I do believe this is a much larger range of accumulation after a very dramatic pullback from some very euphoric highs that I very much suspect we will return to as long as the technicals allow it. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. What are your thoughts on XLM currently now?
Don't come any closer! John!
We're taking a look at coin symbol ELF against Tether here. Price action experiencing interaction with these set of key levels here. We have a bit of consolidation and accumulation, followed by a break downward that was very quickly bought up here. We are now returning to this phase of sideways, showing very strong demand and buy pressure for this coin near current levels. And so we can see minimal price action here on the Binance chart. So it is a slightly higher risk investment based off of these technical parameters. However, on other exchanges, I do believe this coin has price action all the way back in to 2018, where we were interacting with the $2.50 level, if I am not mistaken. And so, in my opinion, we can get more bullish on continued upside from current levels here once some technical parameters have been confirmed. We have the strongest area of technical resistance just overhead at 58 cents. We need daily candles opening and closing, wicks and bodies above it to confirm it as support. And once support has been found, we can get very bullish on continued upside, supported by these buy signals trying to come into play here. We do have resistance overhead. Technically 84 cents is waiting to give us a hard time, and we have already experienced sell pressure off of it. And we also have $1.38 awaiting interaction for us as well, once support has been confirmed overhead at the aforementioned 58 cents. And so buy signals attempting to come into play. The buy 2 on the 6th of December is one of our chosen robo advisors bullish on price action, and we have the buy 4 attempting to return with today's daily candle. However, we need this daily candle to close to confirm this buy signal, and if we were to confirm this buy 4, that would be 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on continued upside here. And so at the moment, we are interacting with this potential key level. 53 cents is support here. We could experience some sideways within this very tight range as we build the buy pressure necessary to break significant resistance overhead. We also have technical key area of buy pressure as well. 38 cents, in my opinion, is a key level we may see interaction with as well before we see this upside. So I would like confirmation of support at 58 cents. Currently, that is resistance. We need another buy signal to come into play to become more comfortably bullish on upside. Now, overall, I do believe an uptrend is very much forming. We just need a few more technical confirmations. Let me know where you think price action will go down below, though. Now. Update on Matic. We have price action making its way out of this triangular consolidation pattern here. We were suggesting in our previous look at this coin about a week ago. We were looking at price action interacting above this key level of technical support. We were awaiting for confirmation of $1.72. I was suggesting in our previous analysis we need daily candles opening and closing above it to confirm it as support. Technically, that daily candle was the 2nd of December. Since then, we have the 4th and the 6th of December experiencing 2 very bullish interactions with the strongest area of accumulation, $1.72 at my technical area of support there. And now we see prices above this symmetrical triangular consolidation pattern. And so once this breakout has been confirmed, I do believe we are going to plow to and through this final level of resistance overhead. $2.69 is going to be some sell pressure we need to conquer moving forward. I do believe this is a very bullish phase of consolidation here that we have been in since May, it would seem, and a very bullish breakout upward does seem to be pending with the very strong demand and buy pressure within these most recent daily candles. We have buy signals in play as well. The buy 4 and bull signal are suggesting bullish upside. We even have a moon all the way since the middle of October. All 3 of our robo advisors are bullish on upside. Prices above this 200 daily moving average, in addition to multiple bullish interactions with it throughout the past few months here, suggests some very strong buy pressure in this uptrend. And so, in my opinion, we just need to break this final area of resistance and confirm this breakout of this triangular pattern to become more comfortably bullish on this upside. I do believe the uptrend is very much in play and gains are approaching. The strongest area of technical support and accumulation is still $1.72. What are your thoughts on Matic? Let me know in the comments though. Now. This is Ethereum Price action still sideways, accumulating. Buy pressure and demand for Ethereum very much present. As we can see, we have yet another bullish interaction with the strongest area of technical support still is $3,925 per Ethereum. Until daily candles are opening and closing below that key level, it is still support here for us. We even have a strong area of support and buy pressure just below current levels. $4,283 per Ethereum is a key level that we need to see daily candles opening and closing above to confirm that as support and potentially use it as a bullish area of accumulation as we build the momentum necessary to break significant resistance overhead. It would appear $4,615 is waiting to give us a hard time overhead. Once we have broken that, we can become more comfortably bullish on the free-flowing upside. We also have this potential key level, $4,464 in the way for us as well. So technically, we are still establishing support. We are still sideways. I would not be surprised if we have another interaction with this $3,928 key level. I also would not be surprised as well if we see perhaps an interaction with this much lower target, $3,585 per Ethereum. As long as sell signals are present, we can anticipate further interactions with support, but we are supported by some very bullish technical factors suggesting an uptrend overall in the long term. So my opinion, I'm still very bullish on the continued uptrend, and this is a very bullish time to be buying rather than selling. We are under the influence of sell signals. Once these buy signals return, we can anticipate some gains here. We're going to swap over to Bitcoin and see price action interacting with support. Buy pressure present, $48,600 per Bitcoin is still support until daily candles opening and closing below it suggest otherwise. I do anticipate continued interaction with it. We need continued buy pressure and demand off of this key level to further confirm it as support. We have a lower low on the 6th of December relative to the 5th, suggesting a slightly bearish incentive here for us in the immediate short term. And at current levels at this exact moment, this candle looks slightly bearish. And so if it were to close looking similar to the way it does, then I would very much expect further interaction downward here towards support in the immediate short term. We have resistance just overhead though, $52,666 per Bitcoin is resistance we are waiting to interact with. Once support has been confirmed, we can become more comfortably bullish on this upside here. We have very strong buy pressure and demand for Bitcoin fundamentally down below, all the way down to this bottom of this wick here, $42,144. We even have some very strong technical factors supporting the uptrend down below as well. Let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin. It's going to take a little more than a 38% pullback from all-time highs for me to be, bearish on Bitcoin. So let me know your thoughts on Bitcoin. Is ever a bad time to buy Bitcoin in my personal opinion? Let me know down below where you think prices will go. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.